So we finished the first set of bumpers. That's done and sorted, ready for collection. The next bumper that we have are these pair of EK facelift bumpers. So if we have a look at it, all in all, you wouldn't say it looks that bad, but there is no gloss on it. So I can see someone's given it a crack to paint it. There's a whole bunch of clear attempted here, where you can see some runs. That kind of looks like I painted it. Couple runs, but this bumper, as I can tell, is probably used to be red. So I'm all for people giving things a crack, and that's the whole point. And I'm here to fix that problem. So if anyone has bumpers that they've tried to paint, not really happy with it, and they're willing to give me a crack at it, hopefully it'll be better. But if not, then you just got a relatively super cheap bumper respray. So there's that, and there's this. Like I said, I think he's given it a crack himself, which is perfectly fine. But like I said, I'll go through it, I'll fix it up for him and get it back to him. All in all, his car should be on the road roughly in probably maybe a day or so. Right now we're off to the paint shop. Off to the paint shop to sort out. Oops. Off to the paint shop to make sure we can finish off the second bumper that we've got. Second customer that we've got for the $25 respray. I thought we'd have more people, to be honest, but I don't know. I'm not gonna push it. If you guys want it, jump on it. If not, then it's alright. Your loss. Or my loss. Someone's loss. Alright, so today, what we have today is an R33 that's getting painted midnight purple. But right now, what we're doing is some Civic sedan bumpers, facelift bumpers. So we're going to be cracking this. So here we go. This was previously painted by the customer. We're just fixing it up. We always encourage people to give it a crack. So like I said, mostly all prepped and ready to go. So I see a little bit of some gloss bits that we just got to hit it, and then we'll get that done. But the biggest one will be this one. So I'll be very curious to see how this one turns out today. So, alright, all finished. I purposely did that so that way we can just go through with the brush and clean that up. Just getting into that corner is way too hard. All in all, came out really nice. What we used was a single stage direct gloss. As nice and clean as possible. Especially for the money, I reckon this is a banger. But yeah, if you've got anything else, let me know.